Heated up my pan for about 3-4 minutes. I want to sear it. Ready? Wait for it, and yep, pan top. Smells delicious. Alright, back to the stove. This liquid right here, you want to save that. You want to reduce it, add some butter, and you're good to go. And you got a Savoy reduction. Wait. Alright, it's been like about 4 minutes. See that juice that's in the bottom? You want to leave that. We're going to flip them. We got a thick one and a thin one. You can see that quick sear. Alright, let's do it again. This time we're going to do fast, and then we're not going to do it slow. So, it's about 4 minutes on the other side. Juice is still there. Don't want to get rid of that. That's all the flavor. We're going to use that for a reduction. If you notice that, this is definitely rare. This is approaching. So we want to flip it again. We're going to do 4 minutes each side again. And that moisture that's in the bottom, that's keeping it moist. We don't want to dry it out. Alright, we'll be back. As you're approaching doneness, that's another 4 minutes. If you notice, ready? We're going to do the pinky test there and there. This one obviously is not giving away as much as that one is. So we know. Starting to burn on the bottom. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Now ready? Alright. We'll be back in a minute. Alright. Almost all the juice is gone. That burny that's in there, you want to leave that because that's what I'm going to do my reduction in. As you can see, perfectly done. Now I know you're not supposed to cut into it while it's hot, but I got somebody I know owns a restaurant, and I joke with them. I was like, "You eat the same stuff every day." Still got a little red in it. Alright, leave it in the pan. Cut it, wait at least 5 minutes, and it'll be delicious. That's my dinner. That's for a friend.